Okay, so our problem here today says to rewrite the expression by using the distributive property. Now we have the distributive property just like last week. Nothing's changed with that, okay? But if you notice in the problem that there's a letter here now, that letter is called a variable. When we have a letter in our math problems, it's the unknown. We don't know what it equals. We don't know what it means. We just know that it's representing a number of some sort. So we call that a variable. But that does not change how we solve distributive property problems. So just like if we were to go trick-or-treating, 8's the house we're going to, you want some candy, and then your best friend wants some candy, okay? So since you both got your candy, now you got to sort your candy out. So you have 8's house and your M. That plus sign that's in the original problem, that's the plus sign I bring down. Then you go to your best friend went with you and they got candy too. So we have 8 times M plus 8 times 12. So another expression that we can write that is equivalent to 8 parentheses M plus 12 is 8M plus 96. And the reason why I'm able to say 8M plus 96 is because when you have a letter next to a number, like I have here in 8M, there's a letter next to a number there. That's the same thing as saying 8 times N. Anytime a letter is next to a number with nothing separating them, it means that there is an invisible multiplication sign that's in between the two of those. So it would be 8 times M. And then 8 times 12 is 96, so I just put my 96 there. Now that's all I could do for that problem, okay? That's two expressions that are equivalent. I solved it. We're good. We're done. So now let's go to another question. Let's go to this expression. Simplify the expression given. So we have 6 parentheses 3h plus 5k. Same thing is going on here. You do the distributive property like normal. So I'm going to do the distributive property like normal. 6 is the house. You're 3h, so you went and got candy, and then your best friend, they went and they got some candy. Okay, so now you have to go and sort your candy out with your best friend. So you go and sort your candy. Remember, you're 3h. And then your best friend, but remember, you take that plus sign. Your best friend goes and sorts their candy. And your best friend's 5k. Okay, so now I can sit here and I can be like, okay, well, how do I solve this? Well, 6 times 3 is 18, but I have to leave that h with it. Plus, well, 6 times 5 is 30, but I have to leave that k with it. So I have 18h plus 30k. And that's your problem. And that's how you solve distributive property with variables.